I've cracked the code on depression and sadness. I know why you're feeling sad. And by the way, if you're not feeling sad, watch something else. Watch another one of my videos. Don't watch this. You're watching social media and you're scrolling through social media like TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. There's a lot of data that shows these things make you depressed. The more time you spend scrolling, the more depressed you feel, and yet you're still watching them. You're still going through these content platforms. There's also a lot of data that shows that the more junk food you eat, the more depressed you get and the worse your health becomes. So why do people do it then? And there's also a lot of data that shows that when you eat late, you eat bad foods, fried foods, or when you drink, or when you smoke, your life will get worse. Your life will decrease in vitality. You'll feel worse, you'll have less money, you'll be low energy, sad, and your life will suck, basically. So why do people do it then? There's so much data now that shows that these things, social media, bad foods, drinking, smoking, these things are bad for you, so stop doing them. And you'll say, well, I'm addicted to it. Okay, there's a process, there are processes that have been proven to help people give up addictions. If you really are addicted to something like smoking, social media, drinking, there's a huge amount of processes that are guaranteed. If you follow the steps, you'll fix the problem. So why aren't you doing it? And another thing is that if you're hanging around with people who don't make you feel good, if you're spending your time with people who make you feel worse, you're an idiot. You're doing the wrong thing, because the people you spend your time with will determine basically the person you become. So if you're spending your time with people who are not as healthy as you want to be, who are broke, who are sad or depressed, or they don't have their life in order, if you're spending your time with them, your life will become the same. It's really that simple. Just change the things you're doing and then you will change the outcome you get. This is the reason you're sad and depressed. And this is the reason that in many ways it's good, because it's so simple. It's literally these things create this outcome. So therefore, to get rid of this outcome, the depression and sadness, stop doing these things. And for the vast majority of people who are depressed or sad, those things are social media, bad foods, bad habits, hanging around with people who are also in that same trap. If you change those 4 things, it's going to be vastly different compared to your life now. Anyway, I do have a free video training on how to raise your vibrations and also how to manifest abundance. You can check that out in the description. Let me know what you think about this.